A very good morning to you, children. Today we are going to start with the chapter triangles. This is lesson number 16, and this is the first chapter we are going to do of your final term portion. Now, what is a triangle? You look at this figure. This figure has three line segments. Okay, any 3 points. You take any 3 points. These 3 points are what? Mark them as A, mark them as A, B, C. Okay, these 3 points are marked as A, B, C. Now this A, B, C, do they lie in the same straight line? No, they are not lying in the same straight line. So these 3 points are non-collinear. Okay, now join these 3 points. When you join these 3 points, this AB becomes one line segment, BC one line segment, and AC another line segment. Okay, this forms what? This forms a triangle. So a triangle is what? It is a closed figure. It is bounded by three line segments, and it is made up of three non-collinear points. Now what are the line segments over here? The line segments over here are AB, BC and AC. A triangle is denoted by this sign. Now in this triangle ABC, what do we have? We have three sides AB, BC and AC. We have three angles. These angles are angle ABC, angle BAC and angle BCA. See what is there in the middle? Here B is there. In place of angle ABC, you can also write angle B. Okay, you can also write angle B. Instead of writing angle BAC, BA is what? A is in the middle, means the angle is formed at A. So instead of BAC, you can write it as angle A. The center of the angle, when you write an angle, the center alphabet denotes the vertex. Okay. And angle BCA can be written as angle C because C is in the middle. So how many vertices is it having? It is having three vertices, angle A, B and C. It has three vertices. A, B, C are the three vertices. When we write vertices, please do not give the sign of the angle. Okay, three vertices are the alphabets are only written for that. Now coming to interior and exterior angles of a triangle. Look at this figure. I have produced AB to D, BC to E and ACA to F. Okay, now this angles, these are which are marked with orange color, these are the interior angles, that is angle A, angle B, angle C. Angle A is what? Angle BAC, angle B or ABC, angle C or BCA. These three angles are the interior angles because they lie inside the triangle. Okay, now when these lines are produced further, this is one angle that is formed, which is CBD. Another angle formed over here is ACE. And a third angle that is formed over here is BAF. Okay, or FAB you can write. These three angles that I have marked with green, these are the exterior angles of the triangle because they are lying outside the triangle. Okay, now one important thing you note over here is this angle, name it as 1, this 2, this 3, sorry, this 3, this 4, this 5, this 6. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree because it is a straight line. Angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree. And angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Right? So, we studied about interior and exterior angles of the triangle. What are they? A, B, C are the interior because they lie inside, that is 2, 4, 6. They are lying inside, so they are the interior angles. And the angles 1, 3 and 5 that are lying outside the triangle are the exterior angles of the triangle. Clear? Now, coming to interior and exterior of a triangle. Look, ABC is the triangle. Okay, this interior angle together along with this boundary, it forms what? It forms the triangular region. The interior of the angle along with these boundaries AB, BC and AC. These interior, see, I have shaded with orange color. Okay, this is the interior of the triangle, and all the points that are lying inside the triangle are known as interior of triangle ABC. Why ABC? Because this triangle is named as ABC. If it is named as PQR, it will be interior of angle PQR, or DEF, then it is interior of angle DEF. Okay, so what is interior of the triangle? The part of the plane that is enclosed inside the triangle ABC is known as interior of triangle ABC. Now, then what is the part of the plane that is outside, that is not enclosed, or which is outside the triangle ABC? That is exterior of the triangle ABC. The part of the plane that is not enclosed by the triangle ABC or DEF, whatever the triangle is named, that name you will take, okay, is the exterior of the triangle. So in this triangle we have X, Y, Z. See, these points X, Y, Z, it is lying on the boundary, isn't it? So this lie on the, if I ask you name the points that lie on the triangle ABC, then it is X, Y, Z. Now what are the points that lie in the interior of triangle? P, Q, R. And what are the points that lie in the exterior? S, U, V, T. These are the points that lie in the exterior of the triangle ABC. And what is this interior of the triangle along with the boundary known as? It is known as the triangular region. Okay. So that's all for today. I hope you all have understood what triangles is, and in the next video I will be explaining the types of triangles based on the length of the sides.